चलाते हैं, चिल्ड्रंस एंड विमेंस हॉस्पिटल।
ओके मैम, ये उदयपुर में है?
हाँ जी, उदयपुर में।
हाउ लॉन्ग यू आर इन दिस प्रोफेशन मैम?
More than 30 years.
Oh wow. And we have recently renovated your clinic, I
Yeah.
think. So this is the new additional section which you have made.
Basically, we had an old clinic, so we acquired some area next to it and made a big waiting hall, consultations.
So
Basically.
आपने हमारे डीलर हैं उदयपुर के सागर एयर कूलर्स, उनको आपने अप्रोच किया था फॉर कावा एयर कूलर्स।
Yeah.
So he has done the job for you. So how do you feel? मतलब कैसा है आपका रिव्यू? एंड
This year, I think it's worked very well because our consultations don't even have an AC. We're pretty happy with the cooler.
okay.
And see what happens next year.
Yeah, definitely. If this year is good, so we hope it would be great. एक
And
point.
our hall is very big, so but I think still it cools it pretty well.
And what about the noise level and all?
There's no noise.
And
Except for the slight wind noise.
Okay.
Apart from that, the machine doesn't make any noise.
and any suggestion from you regarding anything about machinery or installation or any recommendation what you'd like to give?
The machine, I think, is quite okay. Maybe the ducting people can be more professional.
Okay.
Because they gave some amount of trouble.
Yeah, I can understand that.
So maybe that was the only negative.
Yeah, definitely. We'll try to give you with more professional approach on that, man.
Then probably, hopefully it will work.
Yeah.
In summer.
Yeah.
That has to be tested.
The rest, the craftsmanship is pretty good, I think so. So, are you happy with that?
Yeah. Looks and all. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.